We want to discover variations in production and delayed processes and then take the necessary steps to improve productivity. To such customers, we recommend on-site GOT and soft GOT, along with iQ Monozukuri Process Remote Monitoring, an FA application package from Mitsubishi Electric that accelerates visualization of operating status and control of the shop floor via IoT. iQ Monozukuri Process Remote Monitoring systems are easy to set up by adding GOT2000 to existing equipment and connecting it via Ethernet to a computer with soft GOT installed. Linking data between the on-site GOT and soft GOT allows visualization of the entire system and remote monitoring of operation processes. iQ Monozukuri Process Remote Monitoring can manage the information of up to 50 installed GOTs, thus making it applicable to large-scale systems. Since GOT allows connections with a variety of different devices, this can expand the system's monitoring range. In addition, network cameras can be added to provide video confirmation of equipment status when an error occurs, thus meeting the various visualization needs on the shop floor. iQ Monozukuri Process Remote Monitoring includes numerous template screens supporting visualization of equipment operating status. The operating status can be checked in list or graph format, and line configurations can be confirmed together with overall equipment effectiveness. iQ Monozukuri Process Remote Monitoring can aggregate logging data and alarm information collected by each GOT in the facility. Visualizing the collected data with the basic analysis template screen helps support analyzing tasks. iQ Monozukuri Process Remote Monitoring includes a process remote monitoring setting tool that enables centralized management of access control and passwords for each operator on each device. This simplifies operator management over the entire system and vastly reduces management workload. Mitsubishi Electric's Process Remote Monitoring FA application package leverages GOT2000 and soft GOT to accelerate visualization of operating status and use of IoT at the shop floor, while supporting improvements in processes and productivity. Let iQ Monozukuri help solve problems at your shop floor.